It's a parade inside my city. Yeah, guess what, guys? Tow truck's on his way right now to come pick up the car. While they're picking up the car, I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick. But I had to pick up the camera and let y'all know that they're really coming to pick up the car. Clutch is in the car. I gotta put the key in the car. Do you gotta follow tow trucks? I don't know, cause I don't do this. But again, I'm about to do this real quick. I'm gonna show y'all the process. All right, guys. So tow truck's here. He needs me to start the car. Put it in neutral. And the car still starts, y'all. Wait. The car still starts. Put it in neutral. Just to let y'all know it's going on neutral. Alright. Let him do his thing. Let this man do his thing. We're gonna watch this. This is all good YouTube content I haven't posted in a minute. Maya's finally getting fixed after all of this. Look at this. I got it. Alright, guys. About time. Took what? A month? Just about? Finally get this car to do what I needed to do. I'm just gonna scrape. Look. It's okay. That was a bad scrape, but you know, it's okay. Maya seems worse than that. Probably just cash out him or something. Hold on. Alright, guys, car is off. Time to make car content. This is for to be lit. Car is gone. Finally off. Doing what we needed to do. I'm gonna see how once the car is finished. I mean, the car is back. When the car is back, we'll do a drive. Gotta get the bumper and all the other stuff. So yeah, let's get it.
Several days later.
I didn't do it. You won't. Nah. You won't. Stop right here and do it. You won't. You won't.
This is a weak car.
Put it in neutral. Go ahead. Put it right here. Right here. Right here. Right here, Terrence. Put it in neutral, bro. I'm telling you.
Should I?
Yes, I dare you.
Shit, why not? Why not? Damn, that shit's out.
They probably said, put that V6 out of here. Security.
The fuck am I gonna do?
Something.
You gotta use that left arm. What am I gonna do that y'all are gonna do? Like you said that shit like.
We got Lamont. We got Lamont in the cut. We got T-Dog.
What's the gut?
Hell nah, niggas be sweet.
Before you tried to fix it.
I'm not gonna lie. I just lied. I said, you're tweaking. I just said twin turbo. I got no twin. I barely even got a whole V6 car.
Wait, this nigga's gonna get. Yeah.
They said a scat. Well, I could probably know. Okay, a scat. If I could put one turbo and he'd be done.
I'm not gonna lie.
What? Pull up the video. You can pull up the videos. Niggas doing donuts up there.
I see. I wouldn't really see who up there.
Everybody, but people coming down.
Look
at that show, y'all. That man lit. What are these cops? Get the fuck out of here! Oh yeah, they pulling up. They going up. You going up there?
Should I move my car? It's in the open, nigga.
Look, these niggas running. Look, these niggas are running. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that nigga got away. That nigga gone.
Yeah,
done. Yeah, done.
Hell no. That nigga. These niggas out of here. Somebody, they trying to run? They're running? Crazy, 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 crazy. So guys, so it's been a week since we got the car back. I got the car back on. I got the car back on Friday. Got the car back on Friday, and here it is. The car is back. You're probably wondering how my front grille is on the car. So, little secret, which is surprisingly it's holding on. So look, it's still messed up for sure. Oh, it's not manual. Hold on. There we go. So look, it's actually really messed up. I said a little bit, but it's a lot of messed up. But I was tired of rocking the no bumper looking thing. So this is what I did. I grabbed some duct tape and I spray painted it white, which surprisingly matched the color. And yeah, this is what I'm working with right now. A dirty, beat up car right now. But hey, got the car back. It does, the clutch works. I think my car's, that was, okay, it's unlocked. So, the clutch works. Now the only problem is the battery does not want to turn the car on. So the car is literally dead. No matter what we do, no matter what we try, it's dead. So this Friday, I'm gonna bump on my freaking chin. I mean my freaking, whatever you call this. This is my chin. So, anyways, yeah, this Friday, gotta go buy a new battery. If it's not the battery, then I don't know what to say, bro. This car is just giving me hell for the longest of time. And that's really all I had to say. Was the car is back. We're about to be back making content. I went to a car meet not too long ago, so that video is gonna be out soon. Went to the beach. That video's gonna come out soon. I'm trying to put out these videos. We're not doing three videos a week no more. I'm not doing that no more. No more 3 videos a week. I'm giving you out 2 videos a week. Don't know the 2 days yet. It might be Tuesdays and Thursdays. And then y'all might get bonus videos on Saturday. That just depends on how I feel. Cause I gotta edit my own videos. I gotta record my own videos. I gotta do all this stuff by myself. So that's that. And yeah. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna let you guys, you know, as a little update. I'm getting into a lot of the stuff. We running it back. We running it back because I can't go out like that. I've been going down bad. I've been down bad right now. I want this to break my door. That's the only problem. Like, I hate when this happens. Yeah. So I got the car back and it's kind of beat. Like I said, I'm still getting a new front bumper. This is just temporary because like I said, I did not want to be out here with no front bumper no more. And yeah, I thought I saw somebody walking towards me. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment for more videos. This car's not done. It's been giving me problems. I would have been done with it like a long time ago. But anyways, stay wavy. Peace out. Goodbye.